Good morning, guys. So it's 6:30 in the morning. Just woke up. Ignore the hair. Sun is just coming up. Watch. So yesterday, during the day, the weather was so beautiful. And then from 9 o'clock last night, 9:30 to 10 there, the weather just changed. I'm looking outside the window and it's windy, it's dusty. It almost felt as if my roof was coming off. So guys, are you okay out there? Are you okay? Did you survive the wind from last night? Yeah, right. I'm going to get into the shower now for the day to begin. So see you guys.